You ran out of time again. Another day and you feel like nothing really got done. Yeah, I know how you feel. I've been there too. Studies show that on average, 95% of people say that they struggle to focus. Well, as I used to say to my older brother, cheer up, Charlie. I've recently discovered the ultimate time focusing hack. No, it's not nothing new, but I'm sure you've probably heard of it before. It's sometimes referred to as time blocking or boxing technique, and some may even call it their egg timer method. What's this hack, you ask? It's the Pomodoro technique. Listen, when it comes to focus, distractions are guaranteed to try to interrupt. A familiar acronym for focus is to follow one course until successful. Yet, here's what I'd end up normally doing. I'd set daily tasks to meet weekly goals, and then I'd get busy doing. But guess what? Results were few to none. You see, measuring by getting things done is a great way to gauge progress, not the busyness, but the results. When you train yourself to constantly focus, this really helps you to extend your attention span. They say that the human attention span is less than a goldfish. A goldfish? Really? Let's say goodbye to the goldfish brain. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that was developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. How does it work? The basic steps are: 1. To choose a task. It can be anything: a training program, a course, something new that you want to learn, or something that you really must concentrate on. Anything you've been procrastinating on, however big or small. The key here is to focus solely on the one thing, the one task for the duration of the Pomodoro. Number 2, set a timer for 25 minutes, which is equivalent to 1 Pomodoro. Number 3, get to work on the task until the timer rings. And don't stop until that timer rings. You must ignore all distractions or notifications from emails, text messages, or anything of the like. Put your phone on silent or airplane mode. You really should make sure that you have everything silenced while you work.
But, Kay Joy, what if I remember to do something during my focus time? What do I do then?
Chillax, okay? What you're gonna do is write it down. That's it. You're not gonna stop to go do it. This is a very common distraction trap. If a distraction pops into your head, write it down on a piece of paper, but immediately get back to the task that is set for the Pomodoro. Step 4. After the 25 minutes or Pomodoro ends, you take a 5-minute break. That's it, only 5 minutes. You use this time to stretch, use the restroom, grab a drink or snack. Put a check mark on a piece of paper to record the completion of 1 Pomodoro. Reward yourself mentally as someone who is getting stuff done, okay? Number 5, repeat until the task that you had for that Pomodoro is done. This should look something like this. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Now, if you finish your task or if your task ends before the timer, you do not take a break until the timer stops. You would move on to the next task. Follow the break pattern to see the best results when practicing this technique. This technique is designed to improve focus and concentration. It will eventually reduce the impact of interruptions and increase productivity by breaking work into manageable chunks of time, with regular breaks to help you rest your brain. Focused work sessions with frequent short breaks will help you to sustain your concentration and help you to fight off mental fatigue. This in turn allows you to accomplish more with sustained clarity. You can use this for just about anything, including studying, reading, cleaning, or any other activity that requires focus and concentration. Now, the Pomodoro 25-minute is simply a basic standard, and it's not set in stone. Ultimately, you choose the time, length, and the breaks as you wish. So, beforehand, know how many hours of work that you plan to put into the day. This allows you to plan ahead of time how many sessions you can expect to go through. So, for example, if you plan to work for 3 hours, you can adjust your sessions so that you do a set of 5 Pomodoros where you will put in 25 minutes of work for each Pomodoro, with 4 5-minute breaks and 1 30-minute break after your 4th Pomodoro. This gives you a whopping total of 130 minutes of focused, productive work. Woo! Technically, just under 2 hours if you don't count the breaks. Some additional ways you can use this technique to ensure success is to clear your workspace. Yeah, clear up the clutter. Put on some headphones. Make sure you're seated in a comfy chair. You know, there's a reason why bosses do not sit in cheap chairs. Just saying. Create a short dump list of the tasks that you want to get done within your block time. You can also keep a snack close if you must. Frame a picture of your goal and look at it every morning before you start your work. This can be very helpful. And if you own a pet, keep them with you, as they can tend to help you focus as well. Now, I don't recommend you use your phones as a timer because you and I both know that this can easily become a distraction. I've listed some resources in the description below for you. This is the one that I currently use personally. I originally bought it for my daughter to help keep her focused when it comes to getting tasks and chores done. There's something about timing kids to get things done that really gets them moving. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Tell me. Like, seriously, tell me. Look, I'm here to serve you. And as we are bettering our mental, let's not forget the physical. Stay tuned to the next video where I'll be discussing a body part that is what I believe to be the cause of most common cancers. And this can also affect your ability to focus and concentrate as well. So if you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Like and share this video with someone else who may benefit from this information. Remember, what you do today can drastically improve your tomorrows. Let's get it done, Joy Fam. As always, remember to stay focused, stay connected, and to always choose joy.